I mean, really, I think that the capacitor should just be a large amount, and you drain it over a large period of time, but you have to buy more capacitors in the market. I mean, and then the way they make capacitor is by, you go out to exploration sites, and you find, like, enriched uranium, and then you convert that to capacitor, and you sell it on the market. And then people go and recharge their ships. So it adds another level of gameplay. You have to make sure that your capacitor is constantly charged, and if it's not charged, then you're gonna die, obviously, because you can't use any mods. So, I mean, really, I don't know why they don't do that. Also, I don't really know why they use laser crystals in lasers, because in real life, the way they make lasers is they have like a specific gas. Like, they have like xenon lasers. They don't have a fucking xenon crystal. Xenon is a gas. You can't make it a solid. You'd need like 0 Kelvin to do that. And I'm a fucking chemical engineer, okay? I know what I'm talking about. So, like, honestly, it's not a crystal. It's a gas.
Figurines. I have quite a few of them. I hope you're impressed. I brought all the Star Wars ones out just for you. So, if you look over, that's my bed. You don't have to look at that if you want. Over there, there's my, it's my wardrobe. It's where I clothe myself in the morning, after I bathe. Do you want me to play? I can play the song if you want.